Hey everyone, this is Colleen. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to subscribe. Hope everybody's in great health, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Today I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how I crochet this here scarf. I don't have a big table, so I can't really spread it out to show you. A little something, something. I added some tassels to the end because I didn't want to fix up my ends. So I just added some tassels, which I just cut the yarn. And my tassels are not even. So some of them are longer than the others, but I like that. I didn't want it to be perfect because nothing is perfect. So I didn't want it to be perfect. This yarn I use is CARON, Yarnspirations Big Cake. I don't remember the name of the yarn, but the color of the yarn, the actual name. But I will install it in my description box when I do find it, which I will. I'll get it online and stuff. It's a 4-ply worsted weight yarn. Works up really, really nicely, does not snag. I absolutely love CARON. Love them. I could never work in a yarn store because I would never bring home a paycheck. I would spend all my money on yarn and be proud of it too. But anyway, I used a J hook, which is a 6.0 millimeter hook. Okay, this is a 3-row repeat with the exception of the bottom row, which I did single crochets, and the top row single crochet. You don't have to do that, but I chose to. So let's get this project started. I'm also using CARON Big Cake yarn in purple. Again, I don't know the color of this one, but I will add it to the links when I get it offline. I recommend you do, your initial chain should be an odd number that will turn into even once you crochet into the second chain from the hook. I'm doing it on a small chain. So I just did it 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to turn my work over and crochet in the back loops. I think it comes out neater, and then you have an extra border if you want to play around, put something in it. My choice, creative choice, whatever you choose to do is up to you. There's the yarn on your hook. We don't care about that. Then that chain here, we don't care about that. So we're going to go to this chain right here. In the back loop or the front loop, whichever you're choosing to do, we're going to do a single crochet the whole way down. Single crochet, you never yarn over. Put your yarn in, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Again, yarn in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That is a single crochet. You want to do this all the way down. And I do recommend that you do have some knowledge of crochet before you watch this video, because I'm moving not fast, but mediocre kind of. I'm just basically teaching you how to make this scarf. I have videos that show you how to do single crochet, double crochets, back pulls, front pulls, all that good stuff. And there's other videos as well, not just mine and stuff. But of course, I want you to watch this video and take your time. Stop, look, listen, all that good stuff. Crocheting is phenomenal. It's beautiful. It is mind softening, you know, if I may say. You know, of course, to each his own, but to me it is. I absolutely love it. I've been crocheting since I was a child. I appreciate my mother and my grandmother for showing me and stuff. So I'm just most grateful. And if you do know how to crochet, please pass the knowledge. You know, show our children, especially, how to do this, you know. Keep them busy out of the streets, you know, males and females. You don't have to be a woman to crochet. Crocheting is for any and everybody, okay? So never feel away. I taught my son how to crochet when he was little. My son is grown now. He does not crochet, but when he was little, I did teach him, so he did know how to make basic stuff. And he did make a few things, but again, he doesn't do it now, which I'm fine with, but he does know how to crochet. All right, so here's my initial chain. And because I crochet into the second hook, it's now 20. I chain up 1, turn my work. I'm putting a half double crochet in that first stitch. Half doubles, you yarn over. You go in, you pull up a loop. You'll have 3 on your hook. You yarn over and you pull through all 3. Now we're going to do we're gonna skip one. So we don't care about this. We're gonna skip this and stuff. We're gonna do a half double crochet. But what we're doing is the crisscross. And crisscross, you have to skip one, go to the next, put in your double crochet or crochet, whatever you're doing, and then go back. So I skipped that one, but we're still working in that, but we're gonna go back to that one. Okay, so that's not the priority, this one was. So I did a half double crochet here, and then I yarn over, and I go back into this one and do another half double crochet. And there it becomes a crisscross. I do that again. So we don't care about this one, we're going into this one. Half double crochet, crisscross, half double crochet into this one. Again, skip one, half double crochet in this one, go back to what you skip, half double crochet, skip, go in, half double crochet. It's going in. It could be a little tough the first row or two. Again, skip, half double crochet, come back, half double crochet. This is called a crisscross half double crochet. And stuff. Half double crisscross. It's crazy. The smaller chain is a little bit harder because there's nothing for me to hold on to with my nails. So that is your first row, half double crochet, go in, half double crochet, crisscross, half double crochet. You have 3 left, go in, you know, you're skipping as always, half double, come back, now we care about you, half double, and then your last chain right here, you do a half double. Make sure you catch both chains. Pull up a loop, yarn over, there you go. Chain up 1, turn your work. That is how your initial chain looks. Absolutely beautiful. And it looks like you did like a miracle, but you didn't. Now, the row after, the in-between rows are always going to be a half double crochet. Okay, so this row here is a half double crochet. So remember, you're always doing a half double in your first initial row and all the way down, right? So every time you do a crisscross stitch, you do a half double crochet. And then I'll show you on the next row, the next stitch that we're doing. And again, it's really a 3-row repeat. Your crisscross stitch, your half double, and then this other stitch, which I don't even know what the name of it is, but I'll show it to you all. And I'm almost finished here. Almost finished. You can use any size hook that you like, but just be aware the bigger the hook that you use, the bigger your project is going to come out to. And the smaller the hook you use, the smaller your project is going to come out to, even if you use the same amount of chains. My initial chain was like 181, if I'm not mistaken. And then it went down to 180 when I crocheted in the second. Okay, chain up 1. I'm going to turn my work. In the same here, I am going to do a half double crochet. Now, this stitch here, I am doing a slip stitch. I go in, pull up the yarn, and pull through. Then a half double in the next one. Same half double. Then a slip stitch. Half double. So we alternate. We will alternate. Slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, you go in, pull up a loop and automatically pull through, then a double, half double, excuse me, slip stitch, half double. So remember, alternate. 1 stitch is a slip stitch, 1 stitch is a half double. We just did a half double. Now we want a slip stitch, half double, slip stitch. My nail is snagging on the yarn. I gotta shave this part down. Now we're doing a slip stitch, then a half double, slip stitch, half double, and then we're ending with a slip stitch. Oops. Slip stitch, chain up 1, turn your work. Look at that. You see how that comes out? The next row, including this, you put a half double, okay? Half double for the next row. And basically that's all. And you continue to alternate all the way through. I always suggest that you end with a, I gotta fix my nail. You end with a single crochet for the border because you started with a single crochet. But you don't have to. It definitely is creator's choice and stuff. But you alternate. It's going to be the half double crisscross stitch, right? Then half double crochet in the next row. And then this stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, that entire row, okay? I'm just gonna finish this and show you how that looks. Absolutely beautiful. And especially when you use a variegated yarn, you can see it definitely more. The more rows that you do, the more you could actually see your work. This is beautiful. Whoops. Come on. So this is the half double. Look at that. Look at this. This side as well as this side. You can see it more because it has like a 3D. You see the extra little line there? You see that? You'll see it more as you go up. But basically, this is all that I did for this scarf. This is this. Again, it stands out more because I did in different colors. You see in my half double crochet, crisscross, my half double crochet, again, half double crochet, crisscross, half double crochet and stuff. And then my half double crochet, single stitch, or slip stitch rather, excuse me. And that was really it. And the tassels are at your discretion. All I did was cut yarn and weave it right through here. Where you could take it off as well too. Because the way I have it in here, you can actually take it off if you choose not to have it. Take it out as well. But I want to keep mine in. And I did mine because I didn't want to fix my edges. I didn't feel like it. Like sewing is not my thing. I know how to sew, but I don't like sewing. So I didn't want to fix my edges. So I said, you know what? I could just do this. And this is so much fun. Excuse me. I did not make them even on purpose because I don't want them to be even. Because again, life is not perfect. The world is not perfect. So my scarf is not perfect, but it's perfect to me. So I hope this tutorial was beneficial enough to where you understand it. Again, 3-row repeat. Where did this go? Let me just tell you again. The initial chain, I did a single crochet. I chained up an odd number. Second chain from the hook, I crocheted in so it came even. And then the next row, I did a single crochet. The next row, I did a half double crisscross crochet, then a half double crochet in the next row, and then half double crochet, slip stitch in the next row, and then half double crochet. So in between your slip stitches with the half double crochets and your actual crisscross double crochet row, you're gonna have half double crochet row. That's how you get it to stand out. And this is absolutely beautiful. So once again, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope everyone is in great health. You know, he's good. He will always be good, and he will always get better. You know, embrace life, embrace people, embrace animals. Take care of yourself and those around you. Okay, life is short. Make the best out of life. The best, the best, the best. Because that's what I've chosen to do. And I feel good every single day. And mostly because I put him first. And that's very important. Okay? But thank you once again. This is Colleen. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I appreciate everybody for everything. Toodaloo.